Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to remove old devices from Lendio login. If you've logged in from a shared computer or you no longer use a certain phone, it's important to remove these devices from your Lendio account, and here's how to do it. First, log into your Lendio account from a trusted device. Now go to the settings or security sections of your dashboard. You want to locate the option that's labeled devices or login sections, and you're going to see a list of devices that have recently accessed your account along with details like device type, browser, and last login time. Now find the device that you want to remove and select remove or sign out that's next to it. Confirm your choice when prompted. This immediately ends that devices section. For maximum safety, you want to consider changing your password afterwards to prevent re-entry from that device. By clearing out old devices, you reduce the risk of unauthorized logins and keep your accounts a lot more secure. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.